Hello guys, in today's video we'll learn about vector in Rust. Vector is a data structure in Rust which can grow and shrink dynamically at runtime. Unlike arrays that we saw in the last video are fixed length, but vector is like dynamic. One more difference between the both is arrays utilize stack memory while vector utilize heap memory because they have to grow and shrink dynamically. And other than that, it's pretty much the same. Vector has some inbuilt methods as well, which we'll see in a minute. And other than that, like the data types for all the entries of both will remain same, unlike tuple can have like different data types, but vectors and arrays will have only one consistent data type for all the entries. Now let's see how can we use it in Rust. So we can say let vac and vac, and we define, let's say, a few values. Now let's say if I want to print, again same way, we can do through formatting, and then let's say if I print, you can see it gives all the values, and we can also have another print for the size. So if I print the size as well, vac dot length, and now if we run, it gives us the length as well as the values. So there are different operations in vector that we can perform, which is like push, pop. There is also clear. So let's say if I've tried to run clear on vector, it won't allow me because the same concept of variable immutability also applies on vector. As we discussed in previous videos, all variable in Rust are by default immutable. So if you don't make them mutable, they are immutable. You cannot change their state. So same applies to vector. Yes, they can grow and shrink, but again they have to be immutable. So we can just go in and add the mutable keyword. Now if I run this and it wipes out everything from my vector, and let's clear and now run, you can see it's empty and the size is 0. We can also do this, so the size is 0. So what we can do is, one way is to initialize using values, but what if you don't have any value while initializing? Okay, your values can be also dynamic. Then you can do is vac and just do new. So this will create a new vector for you that will be empty. Like even if you run this, it will give you the okay, you have to also tell the data type. So let's also tell the data type, because we are creating a new vector which is without any values. The same like arrays, we have to give the data type. So now if we run, because it's unused, it's because no operations have been performed, it's just size and empty, so that's why it's giving warning, otherwise it's working. Now let's put some values. So we can say is vac dot push, and then we can push, let's say 3, vac dot push maybe 30, vac dot push a 99, and then let's run it. It gives us 3 values in the size. So because now we are using, so no warnings. Then you have different other operations like vac dot pop. This works exactly how pop works in stack, but if you don't know, then what will happen is the last value that we have pushed will be removed. So let's say if we run this, you can see 3, 30 and 99. 99 was the last one, so 99 is gone, and it just shows us 3 and 30. There is also one more operation. Let's say you don't want to remove the last one, but what if you want to remove something from the middle? Then you can reuse is the remove method. So what it will do is, you can tell the index from where you want to remove. So again, like arrays, this is at 0 index, this is at 1 index, and this is at 2 index. So let's say we want to remove 3, so we can give the 0 index, and now let's run it. You can see it just shows us 3 and 30 and 99. So there is reverse, there is pop, we saw both. Let's also see some other methods, which is push, we saw pop, we saw remove, we saw reverse. Okay, let's see reverse. So reverse will typically reverse your vector. Let's run it. You can see 99 is gone to first and 3 is the last one. So if you pop after reverse, it will remove basically the last one, which is this. Now let's see if it removes 3. See, 3 is gone because it just reverses your indexes completely. So that's all the operations that we saw. You can also use different other operations that we'll use in the following videos as well, as we try to do multiple other things with the with this. And that's it for this video, guys. Explore it, use it, and if you have any questions, just feel free to leave in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video.